Ever wonder how a desert airline conquered the world? Buckle up! This is Emirates, fast-forward style. Emirates launched in 1985 with just 2 leased aircraft and big ambition. Backed by Dubai's vision, it focused on long-haul routes, luxury cabins, and hub connectivity at Dubai International. Smart moves, investing in wide bodies, hub transfers, and 5-star service, fueling global growth in decades, not centuries. Today, Emirates is famous for its double-decker A380s and a massive Boeing 737 fleet, the backbone of its long-haul network. On order, Emirates is investing in the next generation, with Boeing 777X deliveries planned to modernize and expand capacity. Airbus A350-900s join for efficient long range. Current fleet: Airbus A380-800, Boeing 737-300ER, Emirates Sky Cargo Boeing 737 Freighter,